Want to save money on your next Bonkers Corner order? I'm going to show you the tricks I use to always find a working coupon. First, head over to bonkerscorner.com. Keep this tab open, as you might need to copy and paste codes later. Open a new tab and Google Bonkers Corner coupons. Don't just pick the first site you see. Look for reputable coupon sites like Honey or Retailerminute. These sites often have user-submitted codes and ratings, which helps you avoid expired coupons. On the coupon site, check the expiration dates and look for codes that have been recently tested and confirmed to work. User feedback is gold. If you use Honey or another browser extension, activate it. These extensions automatically search for and apply coupon codes while you shop, saving you time and effort. Now, head back to your Bonkers Corner shopping cart and proceed to checkout. In the coupon code field, manually enter or paste the coupon you found. Click Apply. If the coupon works, you'll see the discount applied to your order total. If it doesn't, try another code from your list. Repeat until you get that sweet discount. Happy shopping!